Hi classmates, this is the W app. Don't skip any part, like and subscribe. Open this app quickly, registration steps, enter your age. Then give it the required permissions here. Next, what grade are you in? Choose yours. Now, pick your school, or here you can search for any school. As you can see here are the school members. I would pick this school for example. Then here, click Find My Friends. Allow or not. Enter your phone number. Click here to pick your country. Click Next. Enter your code verification. Then click Next. Your first name and the last name. Username. Choose your gender. Profile picture. I'll skip this one. And here we are. Now, when somebody picks you up, you'll get the trophies in your inbox. But the rest of the time, you'll answer polls about friends and get some coins. Now, let's click Start. Now, the main interface is Poll Questions. Here I have 12 random questions in the round intended to compliment friends by voting. Skipping the question from here or answering them by choosing a friend, then tap to continue to move to the next question. Now my friend will receive a flame in her inbox. You may ask, can I change these answers? Yes. Tap on Shuffle here to change these names. Now I'll skip to reaching the end. And after finishing all questions, congrats, you will earn some coins. Click on Spin here, and we'll use them later. Polls every hour. Good. Now, let's move to the inbox. Here you got compliments, which means someone voted for you. And rose flames from gals. Click on any of them, you will get the question. And if you want to know who sent it, click here, Reveal Sender. Finally, here you can share this on Snap or Instagram and reply. Go back. Now let's move to Add Friends. Here you can search for someone. The cool thing is here. From school, you can add any schoolmate easily. Now from this tag, you can create an anonymous poll for yourself or send it to friends. Then get votes and see the results. And here, you just have to share this on your Snapchat or Instagram account, and that's it. If you like our channel idea, please subscribe to support us. Thanks for watching.